Biohacking God Help continues. Biohacking means that you're using technology and science to make your body function better and more efficiently. In case of gut health, we want to improve gut microbiome. We want to have that gut function work at its most optimized level. Digestive health is the largest key to the immune system health and overall health. I am Dr. Ina. I'm a pharmacist with experience for over 2 decades and a functional medicine practitioner with an experience for over 15 years. And I specialize in helping people heal their gut and optimize their overall health through evidence based strategies that work. And today's topic is biohacking gut health with the power of stool testing. It might not be the most comfortable thing that you want to talk about, and for some it's even embarrassing, but that can be a great insight and a great way to figure out the root cause of an illness. So we're not going to get embarrassed here. We're going to talk about stool testing, understanding stool testing. Stool testing offers a deep dive into your gut health by identifying harmful bacteria, parasites, and other pathogens while also assessing beneficial bacterial levels, something we haven't done before. It's so amazing to have this technology, really. I'm in this industry for so long and seeing all these improvements and being able to help people with more available. I think it's amazing. Using advanced PCR technology, this test can uncover hidden root causes of digestive health issues and guide targeted interventions to restore balance. And why is it important for gut health? A thorough stool analysis investigates pathogens, bacteria, for example, Salmonella, Campylobacter, E. coli, viruses, parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium that trigger inflammation. And sometimes, quite often, we see that these can stay and become a root cause of a chronic inflammation. You don't want to carry that in your body, right? If something like that is sitting there. And then we have dysbiosis. We could figure out with the stool test. Overgrowth of opportunistic bacteria, which can lead to symptoms like bloating, gas, or food intolerances. And that's something that some people consider today's normal, right? Everybody has bloating. It shouldn't be there. You should not feel the bloat. Then we have inflammatory markers that we could figure out from stool samples, stool testing. Zonulin, for example, that's linked to leaky gut. Fecal or cold blood is very important. Other markers to assess gut permeability and systemic inflammation. Major keys, and once they're fixed, you could feel so much better. Then we could test for digestive functions, for example, enzyme production, immune system response, gliadin markers to elevate gut ability to process and absorb nutrients. Those are very, very important keys to figure out when you do the gut healing. So, who should be tested for it? I say everyone, but at least chronic digestive conditions like IBD, Crohn's and colitis, IBS, GERD, reflux, symptoms like constipation, diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, unexplained inflammation or fatigue that could be linked to hidden gut issues. How does it work? So the newer test methods like PCR technology provide highly accurate results. Some say too accurate, right? So some experts argue that the infection might no longer be there, but the results are still showing up as remnants and as if the infection is there. That's why you need a really, really experienced practitioner that can tell apart if it's looking like it's something currently affecting you or it's something of the past. So I love different companies. I love GI Map, and there are comprehensive stool tests, and you could select it with your healthcare practitioner according to the cost, according to the needs on that test. So it's very important to to know exactly what you're looking for and why a particular test, right? Certain labs analyze your gut microbiome to determine specifically the diversity and potential imbalances. And the key, the goal is always to diversify as much as you can. To the healthiest microbiome is the most diversified. So, why professional interpretation matters? The results from stool tests can be very complex. A functional medicine practitioner can help you interpret those and create a plan to whether eliminate pathogens, to whether address harmful bacteria in antimicrobial ways, sometimes in naturopathic ways, sometimes you need to go for pharmaceuticals with your doctor's decision. There could be parasites or other infections, also to restore balance. Doing the right probiotics, targeted therapies, that those are such important ways to get your gut microbiome in shape. So it's a matter of doing it right and do it in a short period of time, 2 to 3 months, for example, and it's well restored, or waiting for months and months and years until it restores on its own if you live in a great and distressed environment. And who does that now, right? Also, to straighten gut lining, addressing leaky gut and inflammation with nutrients like glutamine, zinc, dietary improvements, many different things. If you're doing it right, you will heal faster. I think it's that important. To if I was to put one sentence to why professional interpretation matters, it's basically if you want to do this right and fast. Otherwise, it will take a way longer to restore that diversity. So, stool testing is an essential tool for uncovering root causes of gut health and issues and creating a personalized path to your healing. And by identifying the hidden pathogens and imbalances, you could reduce that inflammation, you could improve digestion, and achieve better overall health. So today was the second part. We have 7 parts of this series. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe. Subscribe to my newsletter. I give a lot of great information and the newest in probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, as well as free books on my website, digestivereset.com. You could get Crohn's and Colitis Fix and Digestive Reset, 2 books for free for a free download. Those were best-selling books, so grab those. I hope you get a lot of insights from there, and I will see you next time for the part 3.